So hi everyone, in this video we are going to write a program to print a simple pattern. So from this video onwards we are going to write program for printing different type of patterns. We will execute a diamond pattern. Alright, we will execute program that will print a square pattern. We will execute different type of patterns. Okay, so in this video we are going to write a simple program that will print four ones in four rows like this. So you are going to execute this pattern in this video, and by doing a simple change, this pattern uh, we will convert into a star pattern. So at first we are going to write the logic for this one, and by doing a simple change we can convert this pattern into this pattern. Alright, so writing this for writing the code for this pattern, we need two for loop. One for loop is for counting the rows, the number of rows. Okay, in this case we are having four rows, so for counting the number of rows we need one for loop, and for counting how many times we are going to print the value, for that we need another for loop. So in total we need two for loops. One is for counting the number of rows, and one is for printing how many times we are printing a character, whether it is one or whether it is a star. So for counting the number of times we are printing, for that we need the second for loop. Alright, so let's write the code. I am giving my class name as pattern1. I am checking the public static void main. Yeah, one more thing, you cannot give space in between pattern and one, otherwise it will show an error, that is type name is invalid, is not valid. Okay, so make sure that you should not use any space between the words. Okay, so make sure that you should not use space in between the name of your class. All right, let's finish. Okay, as we need two for loops, so the first for loop we need for the counting of row. So we are done with the row part. We are having four rows, so we just started our first loop from 1 to 4. It will go up to 4, right? And inside that we are going to write the another for loop that will print our or that will uh, make our pattern, right? So for how many times we are going to print, that is also 4. So for that I am using another variable j. It will also start from 1 and it will go up to 4 less than equal to 4, and j plus plus, right? And inside that we are going to write a print statement that will print once, one or star, whatever you will write here. Pay attention here, I haven't used print ln here. I am using only print. Okay, why I have used print I will show you later. Here you may observe that after printing four ones in each row, it is going to the next row, right? It is going to the next row. Here also after printing 4 stars, it is going to the next row. So after completing each row, it is going to the next row, right? For that, here in this for loop we are printing our uh, characters, right? And after completing this for loop we are going to the next line. So After completing the for loop, we have to write a system.out.println statement, println, so that by using this statement we can go to the next line, right? So we are done with the program. Let's save, Control S, and run as Java application. Here you can see we are done with our first pattern. Okay, now let's convert it from this to this. How we can convert? Here you can see we are printing 1. So instead of 1, if we write here as a star, it will print star, right? Let's see. Then alright, one more thing, if you will write println here, then what will happen? Let's see. So it will print each star in another line, right? After printing one star, it is going to the next line, again next line, next line, next line. So for not doing that, we are not writing println here, we are just writing print, right? So we are done with our first pattern program. In the upcoming videos, we will be writing different type of patterns. We will see different type of patterns. So just stay connected, and if you have any concern regarding this program, you can write it down in the comment box. I will definitely reply on that. So that's all about for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.